Hey guys, it's Stacey Rohde here, and it's Motivational Monday time. I'm coming to you with my mom attire on because I've been procrastinating all day to make this video because I've just been having one of those days. I'm sure you can relate. But I want to give you just a little short message today I want to talk about like the mommy tummy, stretchy skin issue because I work with a lot of moms, and I, being a mom myself, I have a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old, and it can be a funny subject because as moms we're so grateful that we got to carry a beautiful miracle in our bodies, and it's such a joyous thing to have those little kiddos. And I think sometimes we get caught up on wanting our bodies just to go right back to how they were. And I'll never forget, I'm sure you can remember, if you've had kids, after having the baby, after giving birth, you don't even want to look at your stomach. It is so loose and blubbery. Like, I didn't even want to wash it in the shower because I was freaked out because my skin had been stretched to the max. I gained 45 pounds in both pregnancies. I think 50 pounds almost. I was like over 200 pounds with my daughter. It was so scary. And, our poor bodies go through so much. And I think it's very important to be patient with our bodies. We didn't just get pregnant and have the baby overnight. It's definitely something that happens, a progression over time. So we need to allow ourselves that good year to recover after having a baby and know that our skin will come back, maybe not all the way, but it will happen. And when you can add in some exercises, you can maybe start off with, depending on how old your baby is, doing some yoga, doing some planks, some squats, things that are more low impact to get your body revved up to do possibly, a nice program. I love DVDs. That's how I got in shape after having my son, my second baby, because I didn't want to drag both kids somewhere to go exercise. I wanted to do it in the privacy of my own home while they were napping. So, there's tons of options for you, and I'd love to help you with that. But more than anything, like, I can show you my stomach. It's not how it used to be, but I've got some stretch marks on one side, and then when I lean over, I've definitely got like some fat, some skin. And what's funny about it, I'm growing muscle under my belly, but what's weird is that I notice when my diet's cleaner, when I'm eating like less sugar, less fats, less carbs, my skin, it doesn't have that as much fat under the surface. So it feels smoother, it feels a little more toned. And it's interesting how the body fat percentage can weigh with that. But also too, I was talking to Autumn Calabrese in our February retreat when we were there with her, and she was saying how when she does her competition, she'll lose like 6 pounds, and with all of the body, the body fat percentage that goes down for her during her competitions, her bikini competitions, her skin used to just like bounce back. She could go back to regular weight and then drop down for a competition. And her skin would ebb and flow with her. But now as she's, gained a few years on life, she's noticing her skin doesn't snap back like it used to. So age has a lot to do with it. And, the foods that we eat are important. There's some really great foods. You can do a lot of lean meats, salmon, berries, those dark greens like spinach and kale really help. And you can, bone broth has a lot of collagen. Anything that can boost the collagen in our skin can help a ton. So you can Google that and look that up. It's pretty amazing how what we eat affects our skin. You could do, some superfoods, chia seeds, things like that to help it, the healthy fats. But more than anything, just like being patient with yourself and putting the work in, putting your head down, and knowing that what you do will affect how you look, with the things that you do daily. I'm always talking about that, but just owning it, just giving your kids a hug tonight and being grateful that you were able to carry a child, and give it time because your skin will come back, and you know what, if you can't get it the way you want it over time, you can work on different parts of your body. Instead of focusing so much on your midsection, something that you don't have a ton of control of because that skin is just so loose. I have a friend who, she's had 3 cesareans in under 5 years. You know, women that have had twins, sometimes it doesn't quite snap back. So focus on your legs, focus on your booty, your arms, get those toned up, and you might be surprised at how your abs and your midsection will join in. So thanks, guys, and yeah, just do your thing, and you are going to feel good no matter what when you exercise, because it's such a stress and anxiety releaser. So have a good night. Thanks for listening. I really appreciate it.